UPC ECOLAND Davao City. It is a dream of a place where the hurting, the depressed, the frustrated, and the confused can find love, acceptance, help, hope, forgive, guidance, and encouragement. It is a dream of sharing the good news of Jesus Christ with the hundreds of thousands of residents in ECOLAND Davao City. It is the dream of welcoming 2,000 members into the fellowship of our church family, loving, learning, laughing, and living in the harmony together. It is the dream of developing people to spiritual maturity through Bible studies, small groups, seminars, and retreats. It is a dream of equipping every believer for a significant ministry by helping them discover the gifts and talents that God gave them. It is the dream of at least 2 hectares of land on which will be built a church with beautiful yet simple facilities, including a worship center seating thousands, a counseling and prayer centers, classrooms for Bible studies, training lay ministers, and recreation area. All of this will be designed to minister to the person spiritually, emotionally, physically, and socially, and set in a peaceful, inspiring garden landscape. UPC ECOLAND Church purpose is to bring people to Jesus and membership in His family, develop them to Christ-like maturity, and equip them to their ministry in the church and life mission in the world in order to magnify God's name.